Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this series of Sikkim. This is my third day in West Sikkim and yesterday I travelled from Pelling to a place called Yuksam. Yuksam is a small historical town in West Sikkim and it was the first capital of Sikkim in 16th century. If you are a nature lover, then Yuksam will turn out to be a paradise as it offers serene and peaceful moments. Yuksam also serves as the base camp for several other treks and among them are famous Gochala and Zongri trek. You'll also find few sightseeing places which I'm going to show you soon. The only reason I came to this place was because I wanted to stay away from all the chaos and it turns out to be the best place that will fulfill my need. मैं यहाँ पर कुछ दिन और रहूँगा and then it will be the end of my Sikkim trip. मैं युक्सम में एक होम स्टे में रुका हूँ जिसका नाम है लिब्बू होम स्टे. इनका कंपाउंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. इनका खुद का वेजिटेशन है, खुद यहाँ पे ये लोग वेजिटेबल्स ग्रो करते हैं and like their food is like organic and you won't find non-veg in this place. So there are a few homestays that are available in Yuksam, लेकिन आपको इन सब का इन्फॉर्मेशन इंटरनेट पे नहीं मिलेगा, तो आपको ये लोगों से यहाँ पे पता करना पड़ेगा. आप पेलिंग में पता कर सकते हो, आप कॉन्टैक्ट्स ले सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन कम टू दीज प्लेसेस. लेकिन मेरा सजेशन है, जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ, मैं आपको ये वाला होम स्टे सजेस्ट कर सकता हूँ. अगर आप बिना नॉनवेज के रह सकते हैं देन यू कैन ट्राई दिस होम स्टे. तो मैं ज़्यादा लेट नहीं करता हूँ. अब आपको यहाँ पे मैं कुछ साइट सीइंग प्लेसेस दिखा देता हूँ, जैसे दुग्धी मोनेस्ट्री, कथोक लेक एंड फ्यू मोर. This is Dubdi Monastery and it is the oldest monastery of Sikkim and it was established in 17th century. In 2011, when a big earthquake happened in this region, it destroyed the walls of these monastery and then it was renovated. You see all these black marks, so these are the renovated parts. Basically they have replaced few blocks but you can still see the traces. Now we have come to Kathok Lake. I think this is also a sacred lake only. So this Kathok Lake is also a sacred lake to the locals here in Sikkim. This lake is said to be sanctified by one of the 3 lamas in order to do oracular practices. Since then, this lake has become sacred to the people of Sikkim. Here you can find a lot of species of fish and you can feed them muri, which you can buy from the ticket counter. So ticket costs you around 10 rupees per person, and if you want to feed them with muri, you can take a 20 rupees packet. Now we have come to a place called Norbugeng Coronation Throne. Now this coronation throne holds utmost importance to the people of Sikkim because in the 16th century, Chogyal first, that is Phuntsog Namgyal, the first ruler of Sikkim, was crowned on this throne here. So what you see here is the coronation throne. So there are basically 4 seats. In the center, this is the bigger seat which belonged to Phuntsog Namgyal. On the right hand side of this seat belongs to head of the lama, and the left side there are 2 seats which belong to the other 2 lamas. Yuksam is also known as the meeting point of 3 lamas, and out of those 3 lamas, one of them left his footprint here. which is right beside the coronation throne. And there is a Jordan here. And next to Kathok Lake, there is a Karthok Gumpa, which is a monastery, small monastery right over here. Apart from all these places, you can also visit places like Kanchenjunga National Park, Kanchenjunga Waterfalls, Tashiding Monastery, and there's a nearby helipad, and you can also go for short treks. तो ये सारी प्लेसेस जो मैंने आपको दिखाई और जिसके बारे में बताया है, ये सब है युक्सम के विसिनिटी में। यहाँ से 26 किलोमीटर दूर एक और लेक है जिसका नाम है किचिपरी लेक, जो यहाँ का कहते हैं लार्जेस्ट लेक है सिक्किम का, और वो भी एक सेक्रेड लेक है हिंदूज और बुद्धिस्ट्स के लिए। ऑलराइट गाइस, दैट वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे। टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, मेक श्योर व्हेन यू कम हियर यू डू नॉट लिटर द प्लेस। बाय बाय।